Hi everyone! The purpose of this video is to give you an overview of how to navigate through the careers that YouScience is going to present to you that are arranged in terms of a fit for you based on your brain games results. So when you log in and you see your name, this is my name, you'll have these tiles and you're going to once again select aptitude and career discovery. This is where you went to take the brain games, but now that you have done so, you can see your aptitudes here and also discover careers related to your aptitudes. So if I click that tile, it will bring me to this screen. You won't see all this stuff at the top because this has to do with me being a teacher in YouScience. You will see Discover Aptitudes. You've already explored there. Today, we're going to focus on this section, Find Best Fit Careers. This is going to bring you to a whole new section of YouScience that is super cool, and it is careers. They are arranged in order based on how strong of a fit they are for you individually. So the first careers will be strong overall fit, and you can see by all these professor fits, all these professor careers that I'm in the right career cluster, being in education. And then if you scroll down, you'll see lots and lots of careers. There's more and more teacher ones. So again, I'm in a good fit. And then it switches to good overall fit. So strong to good and down from there. Okay? So that's piece of information number one. These careers are arranged in order of how good of a fit they are for you. Piece of information number two is that you can arrange them by overall fit, which combines aptitude and interest, or just by one of those. So if I just want to see what I would be good at based on my aptitudes, whoa, it's quite different. If I want to see just based on my interests, pretty different again. Okay, so really interesting. I can also sort them based on career cluster. So like, let's say I want to see if I have a fit for any careers in construction. And I click that, then it's just going to say, oh, just fair, Amanda, you're not really, but good for some of them. Oops, I didn't mean to click into there. Okay, so you can really play around with different combinations of things using these filters on the left. You can also filter based on salary. You can filter based on how much of an investment you're willing to make in your education after high school. Okay, so you can really click things, play around, see how it changes the results. And then you can click into any particular career. So let's just go with this one. Okay, so it's gonna, when I click into a particular career, it's gonna give me a ton of information. Wow, 7 or more years of education after high school. Kind of a small number of projected openings because this is like nationwide, and what the salary range would be. Okay. Then it's going to talk to me about aptitudes. What were my aptitudes that matched me to this career? And then this really cool day in the life that helps you understand what the job would actually entail, and more from there. There's just a lot of information to help you understand how this career might be a match for your aptitudes and for your interests. Okay, so pretty cool. All right, now I'm going to go back to my careers here for a second. I also want to show you how you can save a career. So let's say I'm like, I don't think architecture or nursing are for me, but yeah, art and drama sounds like awesome. Simply just hit this little heart down here and it will save it so that as you're scrolling and clicking on some things, reading about them, later on you can easily go right here to saved careers and find only the ones that you hearted. Okay, that is enough for now for an introduction to you to this. I want you to play around and dive in and learn about careers that might be a match for you. Have fun.